Hey amigos, good morning. Well, it's good morning here. It's just 7:50, and we are out to get the new iPhone. I know it's weird.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
So yeah, हमने pre-order नहीं किया था. Because I had certain issues in my previous iPhone, like I had a small dent in my previous iPhone. It was 11 Pro Max, तो उसका पीछे वाला ग्लास था, तो इसके वजह से मुझे वो आईफोन पहले रिप्लेस करवाना पड़ा. एंड राइट नाउ आई कैन ट्रेड इन दी आईफोन. अदरवाइज इट वुड हैव बिन वर्थ ओनली फॉर रिसाइकल पर्पस, और उसका ट्रेड इन वैल्यू कुछ नहीं रहता. तो इस चीज़ के वजह से आई डिड नॉट प्री ऑर्डर इट ऑन September 17th, जिस दिन उनका शुरू हुआ था. और अभी उनके वेबसाइट में ये शो कर रहा है कि इफ आई ऑर्डर टुडे देन आई विल गेट इट ऑन November 1st, बट आई नीड इट इन द मंथ ऑफ October फॉर समथिंग दैट यू विल गेट टू नो इवेंचुअली. बट सो या एनीवे, लाइक 2 दिन पहले मैंने उसको पहले जाके रिप्लेस करवाया, एंड थैंकफुली आई हैड दी Apple Care, जिसके वजह से I just had to pay $99 and I got a new iPhone, like new 11 Pro Max, and right now I am able to trade in that iPhone. तो 11 Pro Max का trade in value है $500, so they will deduct $500 from the new iPhone and I'll get the new iPhone. And सूजी के लिए हमने कुछ नया जुगाड़ किया है, एंड शी इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट लाइकिंग इट. तो इतना सुबह तो हम कभी कहीं नहीं जाते, लेकिन आज हम निकले हैं. एंड इफ यू कैन सी ए स्टारबक्स राइट ओवर देयर, एंड दैट्स ए ड्राइव थ्रू स्टारबक्स. और उसके वजह से वहाँ से लेके पूरा पीछे तक ये क्यू है बस वो स्टारबक्स के अंदर जाने के लिए.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि स्टारबक्स का इतना डिमांड है. मे बी इट्स बिकॉज ये एक जंक्शन में है, और अभी सुबह वाला टाइम भी हर कोई ड्राइव थ्रू से लेके जाता होगा, इसलिए. आई हैव नेवर कम टू ए मॉल दिस अर्ली. पूरा खाली है, देयर इज नो वन. बट आई सी देयर इज अ लॉन्ग क्यू ऑलरेडी in front of Apple. So today, like on the 24th of September, they got the new launch on this in their store. And अगर मैं इतनी सुबह नहीं आती और मैं शाम तक आती, तो आई गेस डेफिनेटली उनके इन्वेंट्री में जितना इन स्टोर सेल के लिए आया होगा वो ख़त्म हो जाता. And also, like next 2 days are weekends, so it will be a lot more crowded than this.
A few moments later.
So right now I got to know that the specs which I need, like 512 GB 13 Pro Max, they are already out of 13 Pro Max 512 GB, and they only have 128 GB 13 Pro Max. So the main thing which I need is the storage, which is 512 GB, and I am not concerned about the color. I am just concerned about the storage. And we saw that the 13 Pro Max is available in another store, which is 12 miles from here, like it's in Thousand Oaks. So we might have to go to another store and get that. I have two options now. Either I can take the 512 GB in gold, which is the only color available in a different store, or else I can take 13 Pro in any of the color. But since I have been always using the Max version, I'm used to the bigger one, and the smaller one is quite small for me. ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ छोटा ही फ़ोन में यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So I would rather go for the 13 Pro Max in gold and skip the newer color. And this is the size difference, by the way.
तो क्या करूँ नहाऊं?
So this is the 11 Pro Max, which I was using earlier, and this gold is the 13 Pro Max.
Walked away earlier and Hi, you're so cute.
So I'm used to this size, and I guess this is more convenient for me, although it is bigger in size. So yes, अभी हम खाली आज जा रहे हैं.
वेल डन, तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए.
कुछ नहीं ले रहे हैं, but we have already ordered it to pick it up from a different store, and we are going to pick it up today in the evening time. And Anirban is not really happy. He's quite upset because he thought we'll be getting the new color. But I was not at all concerned about the color because मुझे पता है मैं वो फ़ोन के लिए अभी 200 कवर लाऊंगी और वो कलर कभी दिखने वाला नहीं है, तो मैं सोच के भी नहीं आई थी कि मुझे ये ब्लू वाला ही लेना है. I was happy with any of the color. I was just concerned about the storage, and that's what I went for at the end. So see you again in the evening when we go and pick up the phone. Hi again. So we are done for the day, and we are going to pick the phone. Well, guess what? I am not going to get the 512 GB 13 Pro Max anymore. I'm going to get the 13 Pro Max, but the 256 GB.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Since like after we went home and we did some research, we found out that it's wise to invest in the cloud storage rather than the local storage. And you might be thinking, why did I go for the 128 GB instead? So I already have 11 Pro Max, which is 256 GB, and in that 230 GB is already filled. So that's one reason, and some of the specs are not supported by 128 GB of 13 Pro Max. So this was only the best combination for me, like 256 GB and 13 Pro Max, and after that I'll get the iCloud storage of maybe 500 GB, which is $3 per month, or I can go up to 2 TB, which is $10 per month. So yeah, that's what we decided. Now let's go and get the phone. And one more reason why you should not spend on local storages, while trading in you get the same value whether you have a high storage device or a low storage device. They give you the same amount for the same model.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
I was already saying in the morning कि अगर मैं शाम को आऊँगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा crowded रहेगा. And let me just show you the queue for the pickup. तो वहाँ से लाइन शुरू हो रहा है, and you can see all these people. वहाँ से लेके यहाँ पे, और ये है एप्पल का स्टोर. सो दिस लाइन इज़ जस्ट फॉर पिकअप, एंड ये वाला वॉक इन वाला लाइन है जो कि पूरा खाली है, बिकॉज एवरीवन नोज कि उनका जो भी इन्वेंटरी आया होगा वो लाइक दोपहर के टाइम तक ही ख़त्म हो गया होगा.
Alright, it's just gonna ask you the questions. And then cases. Thank you.
Alright, so we can go ahead and pop that in right now. But again,
so today we have come to the Glendale area in LA. It is a part of LA, and we are in the downtown of Glendale, and there is a huge line where Simran and Suzy are already waiting. Like this is the Potos Bakery, one of the good top bakeries in LA. Like it has like 3 or 4 branches in LA, and there is a huge line for this just to get inside of this bakery. They are doing inside dining, and as well as they are utilizing the parking spot
or maybe misutilizing. They have still not removed. Maybe COVID cases are once again rising, so they have both. And right across the street we can see an all India cafe.
रहा नहीं जाता.
So Anirban could not contain himself and he went to the Indian cafe. And Susie and I are waiting in this long queue. I guess it will take another half an hour, but yeah, it's all worth it if you love bakery stuff. We are still in line, but Anirban is back from the Indian cafe and he got some fish. What is it?
Okra.
Huh?
Okra.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
It is pakoda. Like however it was written, he's spelling out that way. So he got some fish pakoda. How beautiful is this tiramisu? I just cannot eat it if I take it also.
So Simran has taken the charge of ordering and she goes crazy whenever we are here because she really loves pastries, cakes. So this is heaven for her.
Chicken sandwich and the spicy chicken sandwich.
Milanese.
Sorry? The chicken Milanese.
Yeah. She's like a kid in a candy store or a toy store.
आप कुछ भी बोलो ये नहीं सुनने वाला.
Looking at everything. Excited about everything.
So this is chocolate Parisian cake and this is the fish pakoda which we got from the Indian cafe, and this is mango mousse bomb. Then this is chicken Milanese, which is kind of a spicy grilled chicken, and these are chicken empanadas, and like these two are chicken croquettes, and this is the cheese potato ball. आज ही हमने कार वॉश करके लाया था और हमारा कार किसी को इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया कि उसने हमें पार्किंग साइटेशन दे दिया. तो अभी हम पोर्टो से वापस आ रहे थे. सो वी प्रीपेड फॉर पार्किंग फॉर 1 hour. Like for 1 hour it was $1.50 and we were late by half an hour. So we reached back in the parking lot after 1.5 hours. तो वही
मिल गया
टिकट $1.50 की वजह से अभी $50 का पेनल्टी. Got the citation of $48. And this is the first time ever like we have got a citation. ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ था आज तक. But yeah, everything happens for first time.
You should learn from it.
Yeah. हम इतना खाने में खो गए थे कि हमें पता ही नहीं चला कब 1.5 घंटा हो गया. So we have to pay now $48, and if we don't pay until 9th of October, then it will be $96.
Much later.
So I was overthinking about the parking citation and I thought let's just get over that, and I thought of showing you guys the haul which we did during the Labour's Day weekend, and it's still here. As you can see, I have not yet settled that out, so I want to quickly show you guys what all we have shopped during that sale period. Without any further ado, let's quickly go ahead and see what all